All right, guys, it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, November 19th. And yes, we were here last week, and let me get my camera fixed up here, guys. I had a lot of fun and a lot of luck catching some drum, smallmouth, and even a walleye. And I come back this week to try a little jig fishing here. I got a little Strike King Bitsy bug on here with a little Strike King Rage Crawl. It's not exactly a perfect matching color crawl, but it should serve the purpose. We finally had some rain a couple days ago, and it's got this crick up some and a little bit muddied up, so I went with the black and blue jig. We're just going to see if we can get anything to attack it. And get my drag and stuff here set. It's about 50 degrees today, and that is the high for today. Sunny skies, a little bit of wind. I'm just going to pop that along the bottom. I'm feeling a lot of stuff down there, so I don't want to drag it. I'm going to pop it. Just take it slow. Trying to watch this line too, because I'm sure for the bites are going to be pretty subtle. I get him. Well, we got something big on here. Well, it feels big. Nice. That's a nice smallmouth. All right, let's get you up on the bank, buddy. Hang on. Woo! That's a good one. Right there. That's what it's all about. That is not a bad fish. They don't feel too cold. Let's get a picture with him. They're still biting. Let's get a release on him. There he goes the wrong way. All right, he got her figured out. Oh, what a blast. I tell you what though, that was very hard to distinguish that bite from a branch or a twig. Very hard. And he was not that far out in front of me either. Nope. Oh, I missed him. I got my Lew's carbon fiber set up here today. 7-foot medium heavy rod, 12-pound test line, fluorocarbon. Got him. Oh, another fighter. Another smallmouth. Oh, he's about to, maybe a little bigger than the last one. Heck yeah. He's a little smaller. I'd say he's a little smaller than the last one. They're fighting though, man. Let's get you back in, buddy. All right, two down. Fix my trailer a little bit here. You got it tore up. Oh, I might need a new trailer. All right, guys, wrapping this one up. What a lot of fun. We only caught 2 fish, but only fished an hour. Feet are starting to get pretty cold and I don't want to get frostbite. But the Strike King Bitsy bug, right there in black and blue, caught us 2 nice smallmouths. And I am not upset about that at all. Especially this time of the year. Going into December here soon. Water temps are freezing. And we used the Strike King Rage Tail 3-inch. Just cut it down to size. I will leave a link to everything in the description, guys. And once again, make sure you like and subscribe. And we will catch you on the next lake.